Hi, I'm Ken Fisher with HardwoodInstaller.com, here to present you a condensed version of how to get around our website quicker and easier. Follow that blue arrow. Many that visit our site don't even see the search box, but it's very effective for finding things quickly. Let's say you're looking for information on pine floors. After clicking the search, it shows up right in the middle of the page. I know what you're thinking, but what about those listings on the top? Well, those are sponsored ads. If you click on any one of them, it'll take you off our site and to sites that actually sell pine flooring. But most of y'all are probably looking for information on pine floors only, and that's what we're here for. By clicking on our link, it takes you to a nice sample view of the product, room scene, and other information pertaining to pine floors itself. Let's go back to the home page. Another useful section on our site is the site map, located in the upper right-hand corner once again. The site map is filled with links that'll take you to other pages on our site. Of particular benefit on our site are visited page links, the purplish things. I don't know about you, but my memory isn't that good. At least you know where you've been and where you haven't been. More page links as you scroll to the bottom of the page. By going back to the home page, there's another area worth noting. For those new to hardwood flooring, the first link would probably be the best choice. Another navigation benefit are related links, shown on the bottom of most of the pages. On each and every page located on the left-hand side is the main navigation highlighted in yellow. The first area will take you to pre-finished manufacturers, some of the more well-known brands you see in flooring showrooms across the USA. Scrolling down the page and we get into the meat of the site. Included are page links to specialty products or other items such as what to expect when having work done by professionals. Included is a general cost guesstimate too. And finally, an overview of the different types of installations. Hey, thanks for taking the time to preview a faster way to get around on our website. To hit our homepage if you're on YouTube, check out the blue arrow. That should take you right to the homepage link, only if you're on the YouTube homepage, over there on the right-hand side. Thanks and have a great day.